If you've ever been captivated by the beautiful flaky layers of pastries like Queen New York roll, and French croissant, this class is designed just for you. Whether you're an aspiring food entrepreneur, a cafe or bake shop owner, or a restaurateur looking to elevate your menu, you'll find great value in mastering this crowd pleaser. First, the Queen a specialty from Brittany, France, is a sweet, round pastry made from laminated dough, layers of butter, and sugar. As it bakes, the sugar caramelizes, creating a crisp, caramelized exterior and a soft, buttery interior. Its name comes from the Breton word for cake, quin, and butter, amande, and it's often described as the croissant dense, sugary cousin. This is perfect to pair with your favorite coffee. Next, the New York roll is inspired by the classic cinnamon roll. This pastry uses a soft, fluffy laminated dough that's rolled, baked, and then filled with creative flavors. In this class, I'll show you how to make two irresistible variants, lemon meringue and chocolate rocher. The New York roll stands out for its versatility and visual appeal, making it must-have for modern bakeries and cafes. And of course, we can't forget the French croissant. This iconic pastry is known for its crisp, golden crust and delicate buttery layers inside. Achieving the perfect croissant is all about technique, making the dough, encasing a block of butter, and carefully folding and rolling to create those signature layers. A well-made croissant is a testament to a baker's skill and always a customer favorite. In this class, you can expect comprehensive step-by-step guide to mastering these three pastries. We'll cover everything from choosing the right ingredients to shaping, proofing, and baking. I'll share professional tips and troubleshooting advice so you can confidently recreate these pastries in your own kitchen or business. Before you get started, let me share 3 essential tips for mastering laminated pastries. First, always use quality butter. The taste and texture of your pastries truly depends on it. I highly recommend European-style butter with high fat content for the best result. Second, it's crucial to control your temperature throughout the process. Keep your dough and butter cold at all times to prevent melting and tearing during lamination. And finally, be patient. Don't rush the resting and proofing times. Allowing the dough to relax is key to achieving those beautiful flaky layers. By the end of this class, you'll have the skills and confidence to wow your customers and set your business apart with irresistible laminated pastries. Let's unlock your baking potential only here at the Bailiwick Academy.